welcome back to my channel. So, guys, you see this hairstyle I want to achieve on my daughter's hair is one of those hairstyle I hated then. Oh my god. If my mom just said, like, go and make your hair from the hairstylist, not the hairstylist we have these days. You know, those hairstylists that they always work from their home, yes, and they sit on one small chair, we call it a then, and they tie that wrapper. When they put your head underneath that place, the whole door that will be coming out, the whole door, you want to faint, you want to choke. So that is the hairstyle I'm achieving on my daughter's hair today. And do you know what? This innocent child did not know this hairstyle is one of those hairstyles her mom hated then. When I finished this hairstyle, my daughter said she loved it. She was like, "Oh, this is beautiful. This came out so nice. This is lovely." I was looking at her like, those days if my mom just tell me the pains alone, the pains that come with this hairstyle. But my own, I losing my hand a lot. So it was not painful. You looking at it, the way I achieve it, you know it's not painful. But then if those hairstylists, so if those hairstylists achieve it on your hair those days, they will want to make it tight so that it will be last. They will even hold all your vein, all your muscle to the hair. So guys, make sure you keep on watching and please do not forget to subscribe to this amazing channel. I got 12 section. Yes, I section her hair into 12 because we don't want something that it will be too much, like easy to work with. I used 13 strands of Brazilian wool at each side, six at the right, six at the left, which make everything that 12 section. Then I used 13 strands. Then the other one I'm going to add, I took 7 strands, then I cut it into two, making that make it like 14 strands, and I remove one from it. That is 30 strands. Please just do the calculation very well. Just please make sure you keep on watching. And this hairstyle did not even take me up to 1 hour to achieve. I'm not kidding. It's not up to 1 hour to achieve without this section. You understand? I didn't calculate the section of the hair with it, but me just wrapping it, and it's not a must you should be a stylist or you should know how to braid or you should know how to make hair. You can easily achieve this hairstyle without you, as in you can't braid. Just watch to the end. The end part is important part. The way I wrap it, very easy. You don't need to be a stylist. You don't need to know how to make hair. You can easily do this on your hair. If you want to see this tutorial on my own hair, make sure you comment down below. I'll be happy to achieve that for you. You see this part that I achieved so easy, like my daughter was able to maintain her head. Ah, those days, that is the most difficult part. Is is the wrapping towards the head. The most difficult, the pains, all your vein, all your head. I always use Panadol anytime I finish making this hair. I make use of Panadol. But my daughter can easily flip her neck, turn her neck. I think immediately we finished this her, I think she went to lie down on her bed. And me then, looking at her, those days, oh my God. So please, guys, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. I really appreciate that. And make sure you always, please, watch the ad. Don't skip the ad. And always like and comment down below. I'm just using needle and thread just to secure it. You don't need to do that for adult, just for kids, you understand? I'm just using needle and thread to secure it. And for adult also, if you don't want to keep putting it inside every now and then, you can easily use needle and thread to secure it also.